In this video, you'll learn how to remove bounced emails from Mailchimp. This process is essential for maintaining a clean and effective email list, which can improve your email marketing performance. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will see your Mailchimp dashboard. This is the main control center for your email marketing efforts. Next, look for the Audience tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on this tab and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select All Contacts. This action will direct you to a page displaying your entire audience list where you can manage your contacts effectively. After that, locate the filter options at the top of the contacts list. Click on the Status drop-down menu and select Bounced. Once you make this selection, the page will refresh, displaying only the email addresses that have bounced. This is important because it allows you to focus on the contacts that require. Once you see the list of bounced emails, click on the checkbox next to each email you wish to delete. If you want to delete all bounced emails at once, check the box at the top of the list to select all. After making your selection, look for the Actions button above the list and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Delete. A confirmation message will prompt you to verify that you want to delete these contacts. This step is crucial because it ensures you do not accidentally remove important contacts from your list. Next, you will see a message asking, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete?" This is a critical point in the process. Make sure you understand that once deleted, these contacts cannot be re-imported. If you are certain, proceed by clicking on the option that states, "They asked me to, and I must comply with privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA." Following this, click on Continue to Delete. This action will take you to an additional confirmation step. You will need to acknowledge that you understand these contacts can never be re-imported again. Click on the appropriate option to confirm this understanding. Now, you will be prompted to type "permanently delete" into a text box. This step serves as an additional safeguard against accidental deletions. After entering the text correctly, click on the button labeled Permanently Delete. This final action will remove the selected bounced emails from your Mailchimp account permanently. That wraps up today's guide on removing bounced emails from Mailchimp. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.